Good afternoon. What I'm going to do on this video is give you a brief rundown on how Twiticon works. There's basically two separate portions of the program. You're going to have an application account which will help you to run the data mining portion of the program. And I'll give you a brief idea what that does here. As you can see, it will get my rate limits. You can't hammer their API. Basically, they have limits, which is one query per minute. It resets every 897 seconds, which is 15 minutes. So if you get 15 queries in 15 minutes, then basically you're at one per minute. You can use them all right away, and then you'll have to wait 15 minutes, but that's just a brief explanation on how that works. So what you have here is the data mining feature, which is attached to the application account. This account is an account that you're going to want to keep clean so that you can mine data. Additionally, down here on the application tab, you can create messages that basically just create some vanilla messages that will upkeep the account so that you don't have to do it yourself. Basically, you just enter a number, like for example 2, tell it to create messages for you, and it will add them to the posting queue. Then you can post them to your account. Additionally, you can log into your account and stop so that you can check your notifications and do any work in there that you want to do on that account. Now, to create your application, this creates a Twitter app for you. You don't have to do anything. Basically, fill in these two fields here. Click over to the Create App tab. Fill these in. If you're going to use a proxy, which I probably wouldn't do if I was you on the app, then just create a brief description. The website, your URL, you can use a Blogger blog or WordPress blog, and the callback URL. These two will be the same. So basically all you have to do is add a description. Twiticon automatically creates the title of the app for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Basically, if you don't have a website, go create a Blogger or WordPress blog so that you can paste them in the following fields right here. Put an app description in, something about I'm going to college and this is my test or whatever. Then just put your URL here, and hit the Create App button. What it will do is you'll notice that Twiticon will launch out, open a browser, and start doing all the work for you. It's very simple. Once the work is completed, it will save your information and this will be filled in. So if you can't remember whether or not you created a Twitter app at an earlier date, all you have to do is click over to this tab, Create App, and if these are filled in, it's already done. Now, once you've done that, you can now operate the data mining feature, and so that you can use any part of this feature that you'd like, but it's required to have the information filled in. For example, I'm going to search Chase Bank here for 5 tweets, and as you can see, it came back with 5 people that have tweeted using the @Chase tag. An unhappy customer here. That's pretty much all there is to the application account. It's very simple, and if you have any issues, please contact me at support.twiticon@twiticon.com. Thanks so much.